Good morning, Year 3. As it's World Book Day today, well, as we are celebrating World Book Day today in school, I found a slightly different maths activity for you to do today. So I'd like you to have a go at some of the Roald Dahl challenge cards that we've got on our blog today. Now, there are 1, 2 and 3-star challenges that you can have a look at and work your way through. And they link to all the different areas of maths that we've learned about so far. So I'm going to go through just a couple of examples for you and talk you through the process of how you'd read them, underline key information to help you work them out. So, our first question. First thing we always do is read the question. So, Mr. Twit added 4 centimetres of wood to Mrs. Twit's walking stick every day for 9 days. How much longer would the walking stick be at the end of the 9th day? I know that him adding 4 centimetres of wood is important every day for 9 days. That's important information. And then how much longer would the walking stick be at the end of the 9th day? Now, there's 9 days, and on each of those 9 days, Mr. Twit is adding 4 centimetres. So we could count up in our 4s 9 times. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Or we could be smart and use what we know. We know that 10 times 4 is 40. So if we adjust it by 4, we take away 4 from 40, we know we get 36. So 9 times 4 must be 36 centimetres. So Mrs. Twit's walking stick is 36 centimetres longer. So that would be the answer to this challenge. Let's have a look at another one. This is a 2-star challenge, and it's question 13 from the challenge cards. All 4 boys who lost their trousers when they got stuck to Mr. Twit's superglue covered tree went to buy a new pair. Each pair of trousers cost £13.50. How much did the boys spend altogether? Now, to answer this question, we could either use repeated addition or column method for multiplication. So I'm going to show you the column method for multiplication. We know there's 4 boys. We know each pair of trousers costs £13.50, and we want to know what they spent altogether. So £13 and 50. We want to multiply that or times it by 4 boys, because it's 4 pairs of trousers, and then our big expanded equals sign, because we want to know what that equals altogether. Remembering when we're looking at money and our decimal points that the pennies, hundredths, not hundreds, hundreds, our 10 pences or our tens are actually tenths. And then our pounds, our £1 are our ones, and our £10 are our tens. If we were dealing with hundreds, we'd have 100 over here as well. So, as always, we start with the right-hand column. So 0 times 4. If we've got nothing to start with, it doesn't matter what we multiply it by. The answer is always 0. Now let's go on to our tenths. 5 tenths times 4 tenths. So I know that 5 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 is 20. So we've got 0. And then we've got the 2 to carry, £2 to carry. So then 3 times 4, 3 lots of 4. So 4, 8, 12. Don't forget the cheeky 2, 13, 14. Carry the 1 into the next column. 1 times 4 is 4. Well, it's 110, so 110 times 4 is 40, plus the extra 1 is 50. So our answer, how much did the boys spend altogether, is £54. We've taken £13.50 and we've multiplied it by 4. Right, we'll do a 3-star one as the last one. We'll go through it together. This one's all about fractions. The bookshop sold 76 Roald Dahl books in 1 week. 3/4 of these were bought by children. How many books is that? So the question is asking us, we need to work out 3/4 of 76. So 3/4 of 76. Because it's asking us how many were bought by children. So the first thing we need to know is what is 1/4 of 76. So with smaller numbers, we'd draw a fraction box with 4/4 and we'd share our number in equally, but we'll be there for ages. So I'm going to build on something that I've taught you to do already. And we're going to look at dividing 76 by 4. That'll give us 1/4. So we're going to use our bus stop method. How many times does 4 go into 76? Our bus stop method breaks the rules, remember, because we start with our tens. So how many times does 4 go into 7? It goes once and then 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 3 left over. How many times does 4 go into 36? We've just worked that one out in the previous one, so I know 4 goes into 36 9 times. So it goes in 9 times, because 10 times 4 would be 40. So 9 times 4 is 36. So I know now that 1/4 of 76 is 19. I'm not finished yet because I need 3/4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a column method and I'm going to multiply 19 by 3, because that should give me 3/4. So back to my column multiplication method. So 9 times 3, 9, 18, 27, or 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Either way, the answer is 27. Carry the 2's into the 10's. 1 times 3 is 3, or 110 times 3 is 3. Add the 2 more 10's is a total of 5 10's. So that's a total of 57. So 1/4 of 76 is 19. 3/4 of 76 equals 57. Answering our question. I hope that's helpful today, and have a look through the challenge cards and pick out some that you'd like to have a look at and stretch your thinking a little bit today. Let me know how you get on with your work today, and I hope you enjoy doing these activities. Goodbye.